Many people have never tasted authentic Nigerian groundnut soup made from scratch. Today, my sister and I are preparing this rich, delicious family meal together. Come into our village kitchen and let's cook something special for the whole family. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our village kitchen. Today, my sister and I will be making one of our favorite traditional meals, Nigerian groundnut soup. This soup is rich, fulfilling, nutritious, and perfect for family dinners. If you enjoy cooking, village cooking, family life, simple living, and budget-friendly recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Ingredients: we have groundnuts, powder, seasoning, goat meat, small fish. We have our stockfish, onions, fresh pepper, seasoning cubes. So we are going to be steaming the meat and the stockfish together with our seasoning cube. Today we are going to be using non-maggi, chicken maggi. Yeah. We'll add water. So we are going to be grating our pepper. We are using yellow pepper today. We have our oil, and dry pepper as well. We like pepper, hot pepper.
What about auntie like pepper?
So our meat is steaming. We are going to be adding our crayfish to crush the pepper together. We are adding our crushed fresh pepper together. Let it steam. Let the meat steam. My sister is helping me today, and cooking together makes the work easier and more enjoyable. You can see how our meat is. The steam. So our meat is done. We are going to be adding in our groundnut powder. It's raw groundnut. We grounded it together. So we are going to be scooping in the groundnut powder. Today we are not doing frying method. We are using direct cooking. Mix the groundnuts very well. Stir it very well until no lumps. This is what gives the soup its creamy texture. Let's add a little water because it is too thick, and allow it to cook properly. The oil from the groundnut will gradually rise to the top. That is when you know the soup is developing its rich flavor. So we are going to be adding our village palm oil to give the soup that yellow look, that fine yellow look. Stir it and allow it to boil for some few minutes. You can see our soup is getting ready. So we are going to be adding our bitter leaf. If you don't have bitter leaf, you can add scent leaf. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes. The aroma in the kitchen is amazing. Look at this beautiful pot of groundnut soup. Rich, thick, flavorful, perfect for pounded yam, eba, semovita, starch, or fufu. Let's add a little more salt.
Mommy, your leg
Let's
is going
test
to
our
fall.
hard work.
Mommy, so this Mommy, your leg is going
So delicious. The flavor is incredible. The groundnut gives it a rich nut taste. My sister and I really enjoy making this meal together. Thank you so much for spending time with us together. If you enjoyed this village cooking vlog, please give this video a thumb up. Tell us in the comments, have you ever eaten groundnut soup before? What swallow do you like eating it with? See you in our next village life adventure. Stay blessed, stay productive, and remember, real life, real hustle, real love.